Hello guys, so today we're going to be creating something awesome. First take a photo of yourself and then go over and drag it into Photoshop. And then we're going to duplicate the layer into a new. Okay, so now it's in the new, we are going to go up to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. And then call it Gray Fill. Oops. And then select a light gray color. Then go to create new fill or adjustment layer. So go down to this right bottom and click pattern. Click this button. Oh, and so what you're going to have to do is click this right here, this little arrow, and select grayscale paper. And press OK. And then you're going to select this one right here, which is fiber 1, and turn up the scale to 340%. Oops. Click OK and set the layer to soft light and the opacity to about 35%. And we're going to go down to the background layer again and duplicate the layer again, except just call it glowing edges, and click OK. Drag it to the top. Go up to Filter, Stylize, and Glowing Edges. Then change the values to 3, 11, and 10. Then we're going to, and then click OK. Go up to layer image, adjustments, desaturate. And then we're going to go to set it to multiply and the opacity to 15%. Then we're going to duplicate the background layer again and call it sketch layer. Press OK and then drag it to the top of the step. Then we're going to go up and desaturate the layer. So image adjustments, desaturate. And we're going to use this for the base of the drawing. So we need to, put a little bit of contrast. So go to image adjustments, brightness and contrast. Put the contrast at about 22. Now we're going to set it to darken, but leave the opacity at 100. Now we just need to add some noise. So we are going to go up to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, about 12%, and Gusan, or whatever it is, I don't know how to pronounce it, and monochromatic. And press OK. And then we're going to add a hide, hide layer mask. So go up to Layer, Layer Mask, Hide All. Then this is the cool stuff right here. So to make the drawing, we're going to go up to Brush Tool. So because the brush tool, I don't know how to get it to it in the regular design, we're going to go up to Painting, and then I already have these presets right here, so then I click this control panel right here, and this comes up. And then I'm going to click this right arrow and go down to Dry Media Brushes, and OK. Then we're going to scroll down to the thumbnails and find the pastel and charcoal. I think it's this one. Yep, it is. And double click it. And then, well, okay, just click it. And Press done, and now I've got it right here. So then we're going to then go click over here, this button right here where this comes up. Click Shape Dynamics and set the, then the pen to pen pressure right here, which already is, and minimum diameter to 70%. Then then what we're going to do is, I guess, paint. So now we're just going to begin to actually start to sketch. So make sure it's on the white, and then just, just sketch throughout the face and around it. You can even just drag it across if you really want, but it makes it look like a graphite. So when it's done with the sketch, it should look just like this. And then what you're going to do is export it, or we'll Command Alt Shift E, so it's got this layer. And what we're going to do is Control duplicate the layer again, and then we're going to put it back into the original photo that we had, which is that. So now if we go over here, it's there, but underneath it is also this. So then we are going to actually put that at the well, in between, and now we're going to open up the other file, which is the hand, which just looks like this, and we're going to duplicate that layer as well and put it into the original photo also. So now we've got all of this right here, and now we just put it right over the face, and put a masking layer on top of it, and use the pen with a regular looking brush. So go down to this one right here, regular looking brush, make it a little bit bigger, but keep the hardness down. So now it appears, but it doesn't just, isn't too sharp of edges around it. So there's a little bit space off to the side as well. And so it looks about just like that. And then what we're going to do is go in and drag that underneath that layer, and then click on this layer and do the same thing. Oopsies. And put another masking layer on top of that one as well, and do it across it. And go around to make it all look like a sketch. Oh, and then go back through and clean up around the edges. And there we have it. That is the final product.